Welcome back to Import to Cup channel, where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today, I have a BMW M4 competition. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. Now, if this car looks familiar to you, it's the 2024 Best of Show Manila Auto Salon winner. Can you believe it? We only shot this car just now. It's a collaboration between Import to Cup and RV Studios. Well, you can see the artwork. It's truly a head-turner car. This is a rolling art car, mainly because Ronald Ventura painted this car. This is a hand-painted car, guys. This is not a wrap. Underneath all this artwork, we've got an ADRO widebody kit. So there's 3 versions. The most simple and this V3 version, which is the widebody kit. It's limited to 10 units worldwide. And we've got the only example here in the Philippines. Up front, we have this ADRO front bumper, front spoiler, and a vented hood, all made out of carbon fiber. If you notice, the front bumper is so much wider than the stock. It flows from front to side to the back. Now we have here, in my opinion, the wildest part of the car, which is the wide body fenders. So the front connects to the back with this super aggressive looking side skirt design. It is so wild, guys, because it's around 70 mm wider than stock. To cap things off, the rear features this ADRO rear bumper, rear wing, and the rear diffuser. This is my personal favorite, this swan neck design from ADRO. It looks so nice and aggressive, made out of carbon fiber. The rear bumper is so much wider than the stock, and the rear diffuser is so much aggressive. It features the quad exhaust tips. So right now, I'm gonna put up the front with this air suspension controller. If you're curious on how it rides, air suspension generally rides stiffer as compared to a static setup, like a coilover setup. Believe it or not, I ran an air suspension setup before on my cars. I've used it like a couple of years. That's the first generation air suspension. I loved it that time. But yeah, I ditched it out for the conventional coilover setup because if you compare air suspension and coilover setup, coilover is still the way to go if you want performance. But if you want the show and go type of look, we can consider doing air suspension. It's very, very easy to use with this remote controller. I can just press up every time I see a speed bump, and I can press number 2, which is the normal driving mode, and number 1 for the slam look. If you remember, we featured the M3 wagon. That's way, way louder, but this has a similar setup without the downpipes. We didn't tune the car, we didn't touch anything. We just installed a bolt-on Eventuri intake and the bolt-on TNEER exhaust system. Now, an episode isn't complete without doing a pull. So here it is. So fast. Wow. This car grips. Put down the windows for you guys. So yeah, I'll do another pull. Here we go. First gear. Here we have this Brixton Forged TR15 Aerotech wheels. So this is a 5-piece construction wheel design. So the first part is the centers, which is finished in satin black. Then the polished lip and the inner barrel. So that's the second and the third. This is finished in polished bronze. The fourth piece is this aero rings. And the last part is the carbon fiber ring. So that's all there is for this 2024 Manila Auto Salon Best of Show winner. I'll catch you guys this year's Manila Auto Salon happening on November 13 to 16 at SMX Convention Center. I cannot wait to show you guys our new batch of all-out builds. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys.